What's up, guys? I have some new news for you if you watched my newest video. So I just loaded up some 168 grain hollow point boat tail match for using two different powers, CFE 223 and IMR 4895. Then I have some 150 grain. It's kind of weird. I have some 150 grain, two groups, CFE 223, IMR 4895. And I have some 180 grains I just loaded up with some tack. So we're going to go to the gun range, hopefully, and I will show you guys the results. TAC, CFE 223, and IMR 4895, just to kind of see what powders are going to work. But if you want a little bit more information, I have uploaded my newest video, so let me know what you guys think.